Today's question is next greater element first. So the question is the next greater element of some element x for each return an array answer of random set the answer is described above. Okay, so the task is here. For each element in this array we have to find the next greater element to the right of it, and we have to return the answer in this specific order that can be doable by map. We will come to. Imagine a classroom where all students are standing in a line. Each student has a number written on their chest. Okay, this one is written 8, 2, 5 like this. The class teacher assigns a class representative one job. For a given student, find the next student on the right who is taller. If no one is taller, then return -1. Okay, so the class teacher will ask that who is the taller student for the student 8? It is student 9. Okay, so CR will start from the left. Student 8 takes everyone on the right, finds 9. For 2, it will find 5. For 5, it will find again 9. And this continues for every student. The CR walks the entire remaining line again and again. This means for n student, the CR may do n checks each time. It will be very slow, and certainly teacher won't be very happy. Here something important is every student only care about what's on their right. So instead of starting from the left, why not to start from the right? But the CR is remembering only useful candidates. Okay, so what the CR will do? CR will maintain a stack. A stack will always keep a student greater than the current one. If a student is smaller or equal, remove them because they will be useless for the CR. So CR will maintain a stack keeping this greater than the current one, keeping only the student greater than the current one. If a student is smaller or equal, CR will remove them because they are useless. So from left to right, we'll start with 1. In the case of 1, stack is empty, result will be -1. So -1 is the result. Then for the 7, and we will put obviously 1 here. Then 1 here. Then for 7, 7 is greater than 1, so it is useless. We'll remove it, and the stack is again empty, so it will be -1. And we'll put 7 here. Then for 4, it will be 4. It will be 7 because the 7 is the greater, and we will put 4 here. Then for 6, we will remove 4 because it is useless, and then it is 7 which is greater than 6, so answer is 7. Then for 9, we will remove 9, the stack is empty, so again answer is -1. Okay, for 3, and we will put obviously 9 here. For 3, it is 9 again, and we will put 3 here. Okay, for 5, we will remove 3 basically because it is useless, and the answer will be 9, and we will put the 5 here. For 2, we will put the 5 here in the answer, and 2 on the top. For 8, 2 is useless, 5 is useless, 9. So 9 is the answer. So this is the final result. This is the array for each student which hold the value which is the greater student to their right. Now the question is to return the answer in a specific manner. For example, we have to result in this manner. For example, let's our input is 4, 6, 1. So we have to give like for student 4, which is the greater, it's 7. So we'll put 7. For student 6, which is greater, it is 7. For 1, it is -1. Basically, the teacher is asking, give me only answer for 3 student, Ramesh, Suresh, and Shailesh. So that's what we are going to give the answer. Okay, so that's all.